Hello mga beshi! Hawak ko ngayon ang soya milk made from our home. At ito ang gagawin nating how-to video. For this video, I used 2 glasses of soybeans. First is to rinse the beans the way you rinse your rice. Wash it twice. This is to clean the beans. To remove the dust, especially if you bought it in open market. For comparison, this is the dry beans. This is the wet one. As you can see, the membrane falls off once wet. Soak the beans in water equivalent to at least 1.5 times of the amount of the beans. After 8 hours, the water is murky now. The beans had absorbed the water and it's bigger and elongated. We'll rinse off one last time. This step is so easy. Just press the beans together and the membrane will come out. Removed membrane will float in the water and I just have to rinse it off. In Tagalog, lamutakin pa natin. Press and wash it for at least 2 times or until all the membrane were taken out. To proceed, here are the items we need. A big casserole, colander or strainer to be put on the top of the casserole, cheesecloth or equivalent, and blender. And this is how we do it. Place the beans to the blender. Add distilled water. Blend it well until it becomes creamy. Blend it until it has the same consistency with milkshake. Do this to all the remaining beans. This is the consistency we want to achieve. Pour the grounded soybeans into the scarf on top of the casserole. And then squeeze out the juice. This is so we can separate the pulp from the milk. You need force to squeeze this because of the rich consistency of the milk. And please don't forget to wash your hands. Others use cheesecloth to squeeze, but I prefer to use scarf because of finer threading. Here are the pulp, and I can still squeeze more milk out of it. Just add distilled water, mix it, and squeeze again. Kumbaga sa gata, ito ang ikalawang piga. As you can see, this is easier to squeeze as it is not as rich as the first batch. Finally, we gathered all the milk. First is to strain the top to remove the foam. Cook the milk in low heat with continuous stirring as the milk bubbles up when simmered. While waiting for it to boil, If you are new to my channel, please hit subscribe on the button below. I will be posting a new video every week. Also, please hit the notification button so you won't miss any of my updates. Once boiled, let it simmer for another minute and leave it to cool. Transfer to your favorite container and it can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days.
So, nakita na natin kung gaano siya ginagawa. Ulitin ko lang, ito yung tubong lugaw na tubong lugaw. Sa halagang 20 pesos, makakagawa tayo ng 5 liters ng soya milk. Kung sawa ka na sa soya flavor lang, pwede ka rin magdagdag ng mga choco milk powder sa iyong soya para magkaroon ka ng chocolate flavor. Tikman natin. Sarap, lasang Vitamilk.